the small village of Harmony Fields, two neighboring communities, the Valiants and the Tranquils, had coexisted peacefully for generations. Yet, a dispute over a small piece of fertile land erupted into a conflict that threatened to shatter the tranquility they had known. As tensions escalated, the leaders of each faction, Captain Valor and Elder Serenity, sought a resolution that would spare their people from the ravages of war. In a last attempt for peace, they agreed to meet under the ancient olive tree that stood at the border between their lands. The atmosphere was tense as Captain Valor, with his weathered armor, and Elder Serenity, adorned in simple robes, faced each other. The olive tree's branches seemed to whisper tales of past negotiations and long-forgotten agreements. In a gesture of goodwill, Elder Serenity extended an olive branch to Captain Valor, a symbol of peace. Captain Valor, moved by the gesture, laid down his sword at the base of the ancient tree. The olive branch became a shared symbol, a reminder that harmony could prevail over conflict. The news of this gesture spread throughout the villages, and the people, tired of the looming threat of war, rallied behind the leader's commitment to peace. The once fertile land became a shared space where Valiants and Tranquils worked side by side, planting olive trees as a living testament to their newfound unity. In time, the olive grove flourished, and the village of Harmony Fields became a beacon of coexistence. The lessons learned under the ancient olive tree echoed through generations, passing down the wisdom that even in the face of discord, the pursuit of peace could be the ultimate victory.